What I have for you today is the top toe three-way hitch. So first off, let me point out how easily this adapts. It adapts with, or you attach it with one bolt and one nut right there. Every four-wheeler ATV has that hole there. So easy to attach and mount. Then you also have the 2-inch ball hitch, which is a standard for most trailer hitches. You also have the pin hitch. I'll show you that real quick. That attaches and comes apart. So that's, you got a trailer, ATV trailer. And then you also have the hook mount. Again, super easy. This is the top toe three-way hitch. Again, the hook, the pin, or the ball, and one bolt for the adapter. Super great product. Highly recommend.